Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra, in this reading, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, Libra, this is your current energy, 5 of Swords, and 9 of Cups is your partner's current energy. Libra, are you guys into some kind of a conflict in your life, or are you guys fighting with somebody? Okay, something is there for which you are doing a lot of fights. It could be legal fights, it could be anything, it could be emotional fight. Okay, this could also happen for some of you, Libra, that you are being somebody who is fighting with your own partner. If it comes to this relationship thing, I feel that most of you guys are fighting with your own partner. There are conflicts are going on in your life. In your love life. And Libra, seems like your person has given up. It's you who is being very happy, okay, because you have won this war. Victory belongs to you, but at the end of the day I feel that your person has given up on you. Okay, they have left their swords here and they are just moving out, and that thing is making you really happy. Okay, Libra, please don't mind, but I feel that you are being somebody who is being very unemotional at this point of time, because you are not seeing what this person is offering you. See this river just behind your back, you are not seeing this river, or perhaps you want to see this river, because this river means emotions. Okay, this person has emotions for you, or this person had emotions for you, but you were being somebody who was not ready to accept that, and rather than accepting their offer, or rather than accepting their emotions, you felt that it's okay, let me just cut this person out from my life. Okay, so you made a conflict with them, and perhaps you guys must have fought for something, and it seems like they have given up. Okay, and for some of you, Libra, I feel that you are into some kind of a conflict thing, and I feel that at the end of the day victory belongs to you. Okay, all your enemies, or all the people who does not want you to succeed in life are just moving out from your life. Okay, so these two scenarios are popping out in my mind. Either your person has given up on you, or you are definitely going to get victory on your enemies. Okay, now let's talk about your person's current energy. We have 9 of Cups. Libra, your person is doing nothing at this point of time. Okay, they are somebody who has emotions within their heart. They are somebody who, or perhaps I would say that they are somebody who has a lot of proposals in their life. Okay, but they are not doing anything. Okay, they are not even thinking about you, because they feel that they are like complete, this person is sitting alone. Okay, nobody is around them, nobody is around this person. Okay, and this person has put these curtains on just behind their back. It means, and this person also have wore this white dress. It shows that this person has a lot of peace within them, this person has a lot of calmness within them, and this red hat indicates that okay, this person has very energetic mind. Okay, perhaps they are sitting and smiling, but in the back of their mind they are planning a lot of things. Okay, this planning could be related to their life, this planning could be related to their finances, this planning could be related to their career or goals or something like that. So even though this person is sitting idle, okay, you see it, they seems like they are sitting idle. Okay, they are not doing anything, they have just crossed their hands and they are just doing nothing, but back in their head, back in their mind, they are planning a lot of things. All right, and I feel that for the time being they have closed their heart for everyone. That's why they have put this curtain on. Okay, They are alone, they are aloof, they are not sad, they are not, you know, worried. They are at peace. Okay, they are at peace. A lot of people must be chasing them, a lot of people must be offering them their emotions. Okay, or they are being somebody who's getting a lot of, love, a lot of offers in terms of love and relationships and emotions. But this person is being very focused right now that they don't want anyone in their life in terms of emotions or love or something like that. So at this point of time, this person is choosing to be quiet. Okay, this person is not listening anything. Okay, this person does not want anyone in their life, and they are just, doing their own task. Okay, they are just doing their own things. All right, so this is your partner's current energy. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you. How Libra see them and how they see Libra. King of Swords. And how, okay, how they see you. Libra, you see them as somebody, King of Swords. Okay, this person, I told you, this person is doing nothing at this point of time. They are very calm, they are at peace in their life. Okay, so you see them as somebody, with this King of Sword, as someone who has authority. Okay, someone who knows what my boundaries are. Okay, someone who is mature. Okay, someone who has power. Okay, someone who has courage to take actions in their life. Okay, that's why this person is not afraid to cut people out from their life. Okay, this red color indicates blood. Okay, so you see them as somebody, that they must have probably cut some people out from their life, cut some connections out from their life, or perhaps they have denied or refused some offers in their life, and they are still very calm, they are still very happy, they are still very, you know uh, silent at this point of time. Okay, they are calm, they are passionate. Okay, they have sword in their hand, but it doesn't mean, I mean, with respect to maturity factor, you see them as somebody uh, who is not, cutting people out from their life like that. Okay, they take their own time. Okay, they analyze people, they see that, okay, if this person is good for me, they take this person into their life. And if they feel that this person is not going to work, or this person is not good for me or for my future or for my life, at that moment only they just, cut that connection. All right, so you see them as somebody who is very mature. Can you see this thing? Both of you feels about each other as kings. Wow. Libra, we have King of Pentacles for you. So your person feels about you and sees you as somebody, a king with lot of material things but no emotions. Okay, you were, I mean, for them, you are the person who was very workaholic, or you are very workaholic. You always, working towards your own financial freedom. Okay, you are completely, I mean, you are somebody who is a workaholic person. Okay, so they see you as somebody who is working continuously towards their finances, towards their goal, towards their job, towards their career. Okay, but when it comes to emotions things, your person feels you and sees you as somebody that, okay, this person must have everything in their life, but when it comes to emotion, this person, there is no one to listen to them. Okay, they know that you are alone, they know that somewhere deep down in your heart you are aloof, you are sad. Okay, No matter how smart you feel that you are, or how victorious you are, but at the end of the day, everyone needs one emotional support. And when they see you, they know that you are alone, nobody is there to listen to you. Okay, until it's a money matter, everybody is ready to listen to you, but when it comes to emotion, no one has nothing to give you. All right, now let's see what actions you guys are taking towards each other. What actions you guys are taking towards each other? No action, no action, no action. 10 of Wands. Let's see what action your person is taking towards you. Libra, you are feeling overburdened. You are into your own energies, okay? And you are like over occupied in your own life, that you have no time to see or to think about anybody else. This is you, Libra. Okay, you have a lot of responsibilities on your mind or on your shoulders. Okay, you are working 24/7, and that thing has made you really sick and tired. You have no fun in your life, you don't enjoy your life. Okay, you are continuously working like a robot. Hence you have no time to see what's going on around you, what people are talking about you, what people are thinking about you, how people are treating you, how people thinks about you, how they want to treat you, they want you to treat them. Okay, what they are feeling towards you. You have no time to enjoy a moment in your life. So I cannot expect any action from you. So it's a zero action from your side, Libra. Zero action. No action from your side for this person, not at all. On the other hand, your person is also seems like, okay, if this person does not want to do anything, I'm also not going to take any action. Okay, I'm happy in my own life. See, I told you in the beginning, this person is being aloof, is being alone. They don't want anyone, they don't want you. Okay, Libra, at this point of time, when it comes to action, they are not taking any action, even though they are taking a lot of action towards their own success, towards their own expansion, towards their own growth. But when it's come to this relationship, they are not doing anything. They are not even thinking about it. They are not even interested in talking about this relationship. Okay, perhaps I told you that they have given up. They are somebody who has already been given up on this relationship. So at this point of time, they feel that it's okay if this person is not interested in taking any action towards me, I should also move ahead in my own life. I have my own life, I have my own people, I have my own commitments, I have my own personal and professional promises which I have to make, which I have to fulfill. Okay, so no action in this reading. Nobody is taking no action towards each other. Now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. We have 6 of Cups and 9 of Wands. And now let's see what this person feels in this relationship. Okay, Libra, seems like you wanted to do something. You wanted to meet this person in person, on a personal level. You wanted to talk to them, or somewhere back in your mind you feel that, okay, I should talk to this person, but your own insecurities are so high that you are not being able to do anything. Okay, you are not doing anything in terms of this relationship. You feel stuck. Okay, you have a lot of fear within your heart. The moment I'll talk to them, they are definitely going to abandon me. They are definitely going to kick me out from their life. Okay, you have a lot of fear in your mind, even though back in your mind you must be thinking about reunion with this person. You must be thinking about, okay, I should talk to this person. Okay, this is the only person you can trust. Okay, that's how you felt about this person. But your own insecurities, your own concerns, your own fears are so high that you are not doing it. Okay, you are not doing it. You feel worried in this relationship. You want to take action, or not action, but yes, you want some kind of a reunion with this person, but you are scared. You feel scared in this relationship. Or for some of you Libra, I feel that you feel scared to lose this person, because you know that nobody is going to offer you anything solid in this in terms of relationship, and somewhere this person has offered you something in past, and you know completely denied that. So there could be a lot of fears into your own mind. Okay, sorry, we have Seven of Swords. This person, I mean Libra, your person with this card Seven of Swords, thinks about this relationship as, I feel they are very happy to be out from this relationship, Libra. See, can you see, this person is working towards their own expansion. This person is not talking to anybody else. This person is not accepting any offer right now. Okay, and when it comes to this relationship, they feel that they should move out as fast as they can. Okay, with Seven of Swords card, they are moving out, and they are quite satisfied and happy, because they feel that whatever they did with you, or whatever they offered you, they cannot do much beyond that. They have their own limit. Okay, so seems like they are moving out, or they have moved out. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy. Page of Cups. Okay, nobody is taking any action towards anyone. No actions, nothing new, no new offer, nothing. Nobody, I mean both of you are not taking any action towards anyone. There's no communication, no action, nothing in this relationship, and I should declare it as I should not, but I have to say that it is a dead relationship. You need to focus on anything else, Libra. You and your person should focus on something else in life. Perhaps you guys are not meant to be together. Okay, let's see what is future is holding for Libra. What's happening, man? Libra, I feel that Ace of Wands. I feel that no matter how hard you guys are trying to, stay away from each other, destiny has their own plans. I think future is saying something is definitely going to take place in future. Some action is definitely going to happen in future with this Ace of Wands. I don't know what action is going to happen and who is going to take this action, but something is definitely going to do in future. In last reading also, I told you, Libra, that future is divine has their own plans. You cannot question on them. In last reading also, I told you that you guys are meant, future is bringing you closer. See, can you see this? The pattern is the same. This is the same pattern which I believe in last reading also came. You guys are not doing anything. You guys are not talking to each other. You guys are not taking any action towards each other. But at the end of the reading, you guys are, coming back together. The same pattern has, this is the same pattern. Nobody is taking any action towards each other. Somewhere you feel that this person is for you, and this person is, feeling out. What is happening? I don't know. I think this is a relationship without any closure. This is the reason you guys are keep coming and going out of each other's life. Make sure if this time you guys are going to be together, please take a solid action towards each other. If you want to close this relationship, then please do it. Just give it a complete closure. And if you want to be with this person, then do something, okay? Take some solid actions. And this goes for both of you. For you, Libra, and for your person. Because, this pattern keeps on continuing. You have to break this pattern. You have to do something in this relationship. All right. Now let's see what angels are advising you. What angels are advising Libra. 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 See, angels has given you two answers, a year from now or within the next few months. I feel that this action, Ace of Wands, is going to take place within the next few months, or probably this thing will take another year. I don't know. I completely don't know. These are the angels' answer for you. These are the angels' guidance for you. Alright. Okay, let's see what signs you guys are dealing with. We have air sign in this reading with this 5 of Swords, King of Swords, 7 of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign with this Page of Cups in reverse, 9 of Cups, 6 of Cups. Okay. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 10 of Wands, 9 of Wands, Ace of Wands and 6 of Wands. And some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign with this King of Pentacles. Sorry, we have 6 of Cups as well, water sign. Okay. So Libra, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.